We interrupt your programming with breaking news. A historic winter storm, now named Winter Storm Fern, is currently battering large portions of North America. The National Weather Service reports unprecedented snowfall levels, forcing the grounding of over 1,500 flights from Denver to Toronto. Eyewitness accounts describe whiteout conditions with major highways like the I-80 completely impassable. In states like Michigan and Ontario, over 500,000 households are without power as heavy snow and ice bring down power lines. Emergency alerts are active across multiple states and provinces, urging residents to stay off the roads and seek shelter immediately. Officials are warning that these dangerous conditions are expected to persist for at least another 24 hours. For your safety, please stay indoors, check on your neighbors, and follow all instructions from